Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through replacing the battery in your Panasonic EWDJ31 oral irrigator. Let's begin. First, remove the cleaning nozzle, then remove the water tank and hose. Use your fingernail to remove the top cap and a pH-0 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw. Use a pry tool or tweezers to remove the rubber cover. Then use a pry tool to separate the main unit from the outer cover. Take out the old battery and replace it with the Cameron Sino CS PVL958SL battery. The CS PVL958SL lithium-ion battery delivers reliable power with a 680 mAh capacity, 2.45 watt-hours, and 3.6 volt energy output. It is commonly used in personal care electronics such as Panasonic, National, and Braun electric shavers, toothbrushes, and oral irrigators, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliable daily use. Make sure the battery is placed in the correct direction. Then slide the main unit back into place and fasten the screws. Reattach the rubber cover top cap and hose. Plug in the power adapter for a few seconds to initialize the new battery. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Panasonic EWDJ31 oral irrigator. Thank you for watching.